Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2017 Ford F-350 Platinum. This thing is incredible. So many features like a fifth wheel hitch, tow package, bed liner, panoramic sunroof, heated cooled seats, and the list goes on and on. So you're going to definitely want to check this out. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this silver exterior color. You have your nice big bold grille with your silver Ford badge and your Super Duty across your hood there. You also have these headlamps up front and fog lamps below that with your two tow hooks. And this has a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine, so lots of power underneath that hood. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 20-inch alloy wheels. Then making your way over to the side, you have your Platinum 350 badging and your Power Stroke badging on the sides. And then your side mirrors are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring, so that will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. You also have those towing mirrors to help you out as well. And then making your way in, you do have these incredible power running boards to help you up in the front and the back seat. Keeps them nice and protected and tucked away when you're driving, but then you can use them to get inside the vehicle. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats. You have your Platinum badge right there in the middle, and then this perforated insert. You have that stripe going down. These are heated and cooled seats, super comfortable. You do have power adjustable settings and memory settings on your driver's side. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, cruise controls, media, and Bluetooth streaming controls all there on the front. And then looking over to your media center, all of your options are easily accessible. You have your radio options here, so you can have all your presets set up. You have your climate controls with everything there, including your heated steering wheel button. You also have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, navigation, so you can get to your destination with turn-by-turn directions, apps there, and then all of your settings for your other options, including Android Auto. You also have your massaging seats, so you can adjust that right there. Just incredible. You also have your backup camera when you are in reverse, so that'll give you a nice clear view. It can help you line up a trailer with that. So down below you have your radio controls, and then CD insert and your climate controls. There are your buttons for your heated seats right there. This is all brought to you by Sync. You have your 12 volt, 110 volt on that side, and then you have your trailer brake right there. Push that back, you have two USB ports, two cup holders here, and then let's look inside of your center console. You have this top layer, you can take that out. Lots of room down below with a 12 volt. Then looking up, you have a Sony sound system for that amazing sound quality. You have your sunroof buttons, garage door openers, all of your auxiliaries right here, and your power sliding rear window. So really just opens up this vehicle. That panoramic sunroof is just to die for. Love how enormous that is, and then you also have that sliding rear window. So let's look at the back seats. Okay, so looking at this back seat, it is super spacious, lots of legroom. You can fit 3 passengers back here. Just have your cup holder armrest that folds down. You can pop your cup holders out just like that. And these seats are heated as well. So you have your 2 heated buttons right there, along with a 12 volt, 110 volt, and 2 USB ports. Then these seats can also fold up, giving you some extra storage space back here. Can have this folded down or up, whatever you like. Making your way around the side, you have your FX4 Off-Road Decal, your LED tail lamps, and your Platinum Super Duty just scripted across the back of that tailgate. You also have a rear sensing system and your tow package. This also has remote start on your key fob as well as a power tailgate. So that'll just open up right for you. Don't have to worry about messing around with your tailgate. So you have your fifth wheel hitch right in the middle, and you have your spray and bed liner tie-down hooks on the sides, and you also have your assist step you can pull out to have an easy way to climb up into that bed. So just incredible truck, tons of power, tons of capability with your fifth wheel hitch and your tow package, and tons of comfort inside as well. So if you want to see this Ford F-350 or any of our other trucks, visit our website WowWoodys.com or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And it,
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates WOODYS from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.